Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials already in place. Apple ID signed in and Testflight installed. Now open the invite link or paste the redeem code into Testflight to accept the beta. Once accepted, the app appears on your home screen list inside Testflight. Tap to view release notes and version info. Make sure to allow Testflight notifications so you get updates. This immediate action enrolls your device and downloads the beta app so you can proceed to configuration and testing steps. Once the beta shows in Testflight, tap Install or Update and watch the progress. Installs may run in background. After launching the app for the first time, grant only the permissions necessary for the features you'll test, because those affect behavior and bug reproduction. While using the app, make detailed notes and use Testflight's built-in feedback to attach screenshots and logs. Remember to test edge cases and intermittent connectivity. This gives developers actionable information and speeds fixes. To finish your testing session, send clear feedback. Include steps to reproduce, expected versus actual results, iOS version, and device model. If the app crashes, reopen Testflight to reinstall the same build or try a fresh install. Collecting the device console log helps developers debug. Once done, you can stop testing from the Testflight app to release your slot. If invites fail, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and ensure the redeem code matches the account you're using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.